Hi, this is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles, here opening up a Templar's Pops, which is pretty old, and some Black Friday pickups from GameStop Deadpool bucket list. But before we get into those, watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. Yeah, I got quite a bit of these. I got like 8 of them. Yeah. But see, I guess we'll open. I've had this box since 4/3/21. So yeah, I'm gonna open the Templar Pops up first, then I'll open up a couple of those. All right. There's like 4 pops in there. And let's see, this is the bottom. Bam! It is entertainment exclusive. Ooh, Diamond Elvis. Pretty cool. Cool. Second one. It's a hard stack, but it's got plastic around it, so it's probably an art series. Bam. Yep. Mickey Mouse. Art series. I think I already got that one. Ooh. Is it a diamond? Diamond, yes. Selena. Diamond. Huh. Got 2 pop singers that are diamond. And the last one. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty cool. The Chase Duck Dodgers. I know I don't have that one. That one's really cool. Let's see what the value is on them. Not that it matters, because I couldn't tell you what I paid for them, or what box run it was, because it was in April. Mickey Mouse is 18 bucks. Let's see what Selena's going for. The Selena Hot Topic is going for $35. What did I say? Mickey Mouse was going for again? Let's see. $18. Now we'll go see what Entertainment Earth exclusive Diamond Elvis is. He is $19. The special edition ones are higher for these two for some reason. Now let's see what Duck Dodgers is. This is a pretty cool pop. He is worth $29. For the chase. So I don't know what I paid for the box, but the total is $104 is what I have in it now. Cool. But this one's a cool pop. Metallic. I'll try to get a little bit of this off to show it off a little bit better. But he is really cool. He's metallic. This one's pretty cool too. This one is too. She's in her purple dress. But I've already got one of her. And I don't think I have an Elvis. But this chase one's pretty cool. Alright, well that's my haul from Templar Pops. And now I'm only opening up 2 of these. As I said, I got a total of 4 here right now, but I got a total of 8 altogether. So we'll just go with this first one here. See what we got. Alright. Now this is what comes in. We got a pen. Have a Leonard. Pretty cool. They have a pen. There's the pop. And they got a, Is this the, it's got a keychain on it. So and it's the safari one. Let's see what pop we got. Ooh, yes. Blacklight. That's what I was going for. So, right off the bat. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Alright. So yeah, for 24 bucks. It's not bad. I'm glad they didn't do like they did last year where they had a common and a like a chase version. They weren't really chases, but they were two different variants. So of course you had to buy. I got that whole set of the Fantastic Four. Alright. See if we get the same. Got the same pen. I don't know if there's any variants in that. Oh, we got a different pen. Oh, we got the same button. Same Leonard. Oh, we did get a different keychain. Oh, Star Series. Be cool if it was glowing black light. And we got bam. Alright, that one's pretty cool. Lazy River Deadpool. Alright. Yeah. So those are pretty cool. So I guess you get the same of these so far, it looks like. You do get different pins. Looks like the buttons are the same. And you get a different keychain. But yeah, this is the one I was going for. So of course I'd pull it right off the bat, but still, I don't know. They're pretty cool. Got the black light. And then the Lazy River one. It's pretty cool. Yeah, well, I can't wait to see what the glue is on that one. Alright. And I have got 2 more to open, and I will do those in another video. But I wanted to open up a couple in this video. But put all that back together later. But please hit the like button, notification bell, smash the subscribe button. Please comment down below. I'm not a very good right back comment person, but I will hit like so you know I read the comment. And mad love to your all's way, everyone that has subscribed and further ones that will subscribe. Mad love your way. And I guess with that, we will say good night or good day. Depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.